Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're taking a closer look at a longtime favorite in the middleweight world, the new 2026 Suzuki SV 650. Known for its versatility, smooth V-twin character, and everyday usability, the SV 650 has been a rider's companion for decades. The 2026 model refines this iconic formula while keeping the soul that made it a legend. Let's dive into what makes this new SV 650 more exciting than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 SV 650 carries forward its classic naked sport identity with a cleaner, sharper design. Suzuki has updated the headlamp with a compact LED unit and given the tank a slightly more sculpted look. The frame remains lightweight but receives subtle tweaks for better rigidity. New color schemes and revised graphics add a modern touch, making the SV 650 stand out both in city commutes and weekend rides. Performance and powertrain. Powering the 2026 SV 650 is the familiar 645 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, now tuned for smoother mid-range delivery and improved efficiency. The throttle response is more refined, and the bike feels more lively in daily riding. A redesigned exhaust reduces weight while enhancing the exhaust note. The suspension has been retuned for added stability, and the braking setup now offers improved feedback. Whether you're carving corners or cruising highways, the SV 650 stays predictable and fun. Safety and technology. Suzuki has added thoughtful tech updates to the 2026 model. The bike now features an updated traction control system with multiple modes, dual-channel ABS, and a clearer LCD display. The switchgear feels more premium, and the rider aids work seamlessly without taking away the bike's natural feel. With improved lighting and a more intuitive interface, the SV 650 becomes even more user-friendly for new and experienced riders. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki SV 650 remains true to its legacy while embracing modern upgrades. Its balanced design, reliable performance, and improved tech make it a standout choice in the middle.